Good morning, resellers. It's Sarah, getting ready for the day. This is resellers in real life because I have no makeup on. I just got up. I just got the kids on the bus. But I wanted to go into a little bit more detail and kind of do a check-in on my goals. I know I said before I don't really set goals because I don't want to put too much pressure on myself. But I would like something to shoot for. And by October 8th, today's September 28th, I want to try to make a little over $1,200 because my goal is to make enough money to where I don't have to transfer anything out of our savings account to pay bills. So today I am headed to the bank to make a deposit. I'm trying not to leave too much in my reselling account because Lord knows if it's in there, I'm like, let's go shopping. And yes, I need to meet my goals. So I'm going to show you on my spreadsheet. It may be kind of hard to see, but I'm also shipping one little lonely order I had today. But I did have some new listings yesterday to cross post with List Perfectly also. So kind of just some housekeeping today. I may do some listings, but I'm not sourcing today. Sarah, Beth, you're not sourcing today. So time to clean up some stuff. And then I'll shower and get ready for the day. So, first and foremost, let me turn my screen around. Alright. So, this is my spreadsheet where I keep track of all of my sales, all of my expenses, all of my inventory. Come on, clicky, clicky. So, yesterday when I put up my video and I was talking about like what bin something goes in, basically what I do when I add new stuff is I put it at the bottom here. I type in what it is. I leave this blank because I don't know what bin it's going to go in because I don't know what bin has room. And then I put in the cost of goods here. So, for instance, let's do our Free People sale that was on Mercari. So I line item everything out. Okay, so we're going to copy this. I'm going to paste it in here. All right, I wish I could like prop you guys up. Maybe that'll work to put you on my keyboard. Okay. So right here was the item. Otherwise, I would just do Control F and I could type in this box, you know, Athleta, blah, 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 and it will tell me everything. But I'm going to type in Free People, if I can spell people. And here's that sweater. So I'm going to copy this over to here. And then, let's see, I estimated cost of goods on this one is $5 because I don't know what happened. So my cost of goods is over here, $5. Now let's go over to, this is Mercari. It shows what I've sold. I'm trying to make sure you can see the screen. Okay, so right here, this sold for $30. And then the fees go here. So right here, $3 and $1.17. Okay, oh, we don't need that on anymore. And then this right here is what the buyer paid in tax, $1.80. Because part of their payment received included the tax, which I should not be taxed as income on. So I actually take that off. So I'll be getting $25.83, but $1.80 of that is actually tax. So my income on that item is $24.03. I spent $5 on it, so my profit is $19.03 on that one item. When I track my numbers for the day on my dry erase board, I will just put down that I sold $30 worth, which I need to change the date. Okay, so then I come over here. What I do is I put everything in a Word document. Let me try to keep it on this screen. I have double screens, but I'll move it to where you guys can see what I'm doing to ship an item today. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to click blank document and do layout, and I'm going to put it in landscape. All right. Then I'm going to come over here, and it says it's FedEx Smart Post. So I'm just going to put it in a poly mailer for today, but I can't use a priority box. And there's a button here that says print label. So I'm going to go in here. It'll actually download it at the bottom. Right there. I click it, and here it comes. So I'm going to reduce this down and rotate it, and then there's this neat little thing that so many people don't know about. It's called a snipping tool. So it basically lets you screenshot the item that you want to capture and be able to copy. So I'm going to click New. I'm going to highlight this. Now I can copy it, and I'm going to put it over here in my Word document. And then what I do, hang on, let me, got my printer over here. All right, so I use these labels. So I can fit 2 to a page. So there's room there for only 1 today. So I had one that was kind of like left over. But that way I don't have to use any tape to tape my labels down. I just use these stick'ems. So loaded it correctly. See how I had one like left over into my printer. Come on. There we go. So I'm just going to hit File, Print. And there we go. And then one more thing I forgot to add to the spreadsheet. Oh, whoops. Hey, don't look at that. It's going to New York. So we will come over in here. Whoops, capital letter. New York. Thank you, Miss New York. And then, oh, I already deleted it out of my inventory. I have to make sure I do that. Okay, so that's done. Now I have to make sure I click this confirm shipment button on Mercari, because otherwise it'll keep reminding you to ship, ship, ship. And that's it. So today, well, I mean, obviously I have to package this thing up and get it sent out. But today, let me show you on my Poshmark closet. No, kitty cat. Always on my desk. No, you can't get in the printer either. Oh my God. She's always curious cat. Always in my stuff. Alright, so I did list some items last night on Poshmark. Let me change this to just in. So from here up, so these 8 items. So today I'm going to have to take these descriptions, put them in here, divide out the cost of goods. These are the ones that I bought for like $10 an item. And then once I put them away, then I'll be able to put this location in. Then what I can do is use my cross-posting service right from this page. Got any sales? No. To cross-post to Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, everything else. So hopefully that gives you a better idea of what we need to do and how the process works to ship every day, what my spreadsheet looks like. Honestly, I don't remember where I got my spreadsheet from. It was a free download from somewhere, and I've just used it ever since. I turned everything into my CPA last year, and still waiting on her to do my taxes. She's super busy, and but she didn't have any problems with it. So as long as you're putting like pretty detailed information and you really treat this like a business, we're good. Oh, so as far as the dog, what? Can you wait a minute? You need to wait. Alright, so as far as my goal for the month, let me show you how I do this. How do I figure out like how much to pay myself? And this is, I'm just going to share it. I'm just going to share it, you guys, because I am transparent. I have no problem teaching other people how to do this. So I actually keep, Roxy, lay down. I actually keep my check register. We have a personal one and then I have a business one. So this is my business one. Let me scroll all the way to the bottom and I'll show you what I've been doing. Lay down. All right. So here's where I log in every transaction, what I'm spending. Roxy, quiet. No. Quiet, please. Okay, she's very talkative this morning. Come here. You're fine. I'll pet you. So you'll see here's all my sales. And I feel... Roxy! I don't know what she wants. I'll give you a cookie in a minute. So I'm going to filter by... Well, first I'm going to go back and look and see... When's the last time I had this column? Income and taxes. Okay, so what I do is I look at all the deposits in my account. When's the last time I did this? 9/14. So anything 9/15 or after with a deposit. Deposit filters. All right, 9/15. I'm going to highlight all these and figure out how much money have I made. $844.53. Oh, so I'm going to take that amount and I keep up 15%. So $126.67. Oh, I added some sales in there yesterday, so these amounts won't match. But then I'm going to put everything back on. Come down here. See, I did it the other day. So when I did it the other day, $100.91 goes in the taxes. Like, I have a separate account for it all. It does not get touched. So my ending balance was $383.61. And typically I go to the bins maybe once, twice a week. So I leave myself $100 to shop for inventory, meaning the rest is what I can pay myself. So I will be taking out, not min, I want the sum. $384.52 towards my $1,200 goal. Oh, I actually did that wrong on my little Post-it note over here. So I had this, but this includes taxes. So that is wrong. It's actually only $283.63. So $1,272. And then I'm only looking at the income because I can't spend that. $283.61 towards my goal. So $1,272. If you're not a numbers person, I apologize. I went to school for accounting, so I'm like very analytical. I can't help it. Okay, so my corrected amount by October 8th. Can you see that? Here we go. Come on, camera. $1,272 is my goal. I'm going to put $283.61 in the account today because the other part's going in taxes. So I still have to make $988.39. I did pick up some quality pieces. You know, I did list that Diane von Furstenberg jacket yesterday for $195. Like, comps looked amazing on those items that I spent $10 a piece. So, and then I still have all those items I got from the bins to list. And I should have boxes from ThreadUp being processed on their partner kits. So that is how I figure out how much to pay myself. I go through the deposits. I times it by 15% so I can keep out taxes, leave myself a budget of inventory. You can figure out what your budget is every week. And then whatever's left is what I pay myself. So again, sorry for so many numbers. I am a very analytical person. If this isn't your cup of tea, don't worry about it. There's plenty of free resources out there. Like I said, I found my spreadsheet for free. If anyone's interested in receiving that, just send me a message on Instagram, Sarah Rowe Sells on Instagram, or of course you can comment down below and I'll be happy to help you guys out. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get this package packed up and get this money in the bank. Because like I said, Lord knows if I leave it in there, I'm going to spend it. So, all right, guys, have a good day.